Welcome back to the CH Wine Tasting Room. I'm Katie Long, and today I have a beautiful red blend from California. This one is lot 925. 925 feels a little bit like the East Bay, and that's a bit of a California reference for some of my friends out there. This wine is a blend, and it is coming from across California where we have these beautiful, diverse microclimates, these mesoclimates, where all of these grape varieties ripen optimally. Take a look at that color. It's purple, it's ruby, and it's inky in the glass, kind of staining the glass a little bit. So I love this blend. It is comprised of Grenache, Syrah, and Mourvèdre. So greater than the sum of their parts, each of these grape varieties is contributing something to this particular blend, and it is awesome. So Syrah is kind of known for those dark, maybe blue fruits like blueberry, maybe a hint of leather perhaps, and black pepper. Grenache, on the other hand, brings these really beautiful lifted red fruit flavors. So I'm thinking strawberry, maybe even some raspberry. And then Mourvèdre provides not only that tannin, that structure, but also a hint of earthiness and maybe some cocoa or mocha in the scent. Let's give it a taste. That wine is juicy and mouth-watering all at the same time. Wow, there's so much going on in there. The fruit is really ripe. It's that blue fruit, that raspberry and blackberry, a hint of that plum. The tannins are firm and definitely present, but they're smooth and really integrated. So it's a really well-balanced wine. And what I love about blends is that it's almost like there's something in there for everybody. So whether you're having folks over for dinner or if you're popping over to their house, this is one you're gonna wanna have by the case. I know I say this all the time. I say to get a case of wine, stock up, but with this one, I think you should get 2 cases. And there's a reason for that. This wine is so versatile. You're gonna wanna have a bottle whether people show up unexpectedly, if it's a Tuesday night in. This wine is gonna go not only with whatever cuisine you can throw at it, but whatever occasion you're gonna wanna serve it. So having a couple extra bottles on hand, you're gonna definitely be thanking me later. And I invite you to drop a note in the comments and tell me so. Tell me what you enjoy it with. And in the meantime, I'm gonna say cheers.